Hey everyone, David here with Swift Control, and in this video we are taking a look at our new WordPress plugin. So what is Swift Control? Swift Control is a way to quickly access all important areas of your WordPress website right from the front end. It gives you this neat panel here on the left hand side that you can use to jump into your dashboard, edit the current post or page, open the customizer, or basically go anywhere else. It is designed to make your and your client's life a lot easier, and we've actually built this for our WordPress multi-site network in the first place so that our customers can find their way around a lot easier. There are two versions available of Swift Control. The free version that is hosted in the WordPress repository, and the pro version that can be found under wpswiftcontrol.com. In this video, we are going to take a look at the pro version, so let's get started. So I've set up this test installation here and have Swift Control Pro activated, and we can already see the Swift Control panel here on the left side. So when I click on it, it expands and gives me these options here by default. So I can go back to my dashboard, edit the current page, jump into the customizer. So let's have a quick look at how things are set up on the dashboard. Navigate to Settings, Swift Control Pro, and we are presented with this. Here on the left side, you see the available controls that are also visible on the front end, and on the right side, you get all available widgets basically. You can use this drag handle here to drag the available widgets over into the active widgets, and use this edit button here to change things. So let's say I wanted to change this to customizer, have this open in a new tab, and maybe change this to something else. Let's save. With the pro version, we can also create an unlimited amount of custom controls. So we just click on the plus icon right here and can set up our new control. So what can we do? Let's say we want to send someone to our support ticket system or something. Let's do this. And your website. And hit save. Let me just remove this one. We don't need that. Edit post type. By the way, this will automatically fetch the current post type. So when we are on a page, it will say edit page. If we are on a post, it will say edit post, and so on. So let's actually go back to the home page and hit refresh. All right, so let's see what we have here. Dashboard, edit page, as you can see, customizer, and the new widget that we've just created. All right. Well, there are some more options down here. So you can change the branding color here, icon color, and so on. I'm not going to go too much into detail here. Let's have a quick look at these settings here at the bottom of the page. So you can remove the admin bar from the front end, exclude Font Awesome 5, which we load by default. And if you decide to remove the plugin from your website, all Swift Control data will be deleted. So let's hit save. And now, of course, when we go back to the front end, the admin bar is gone. So there's one more thing I wanted to mention, and that is page builder support. So let's say you've built your page or post with Elementor or Beaver Builder, for instance. Swift Control will take you right into the page builder instead of sending you to the WordPress admin. As you can see, click edit page and it launches Elementor. All right, so let's have a quick look at the other pro features that are available. As you've seen already, you can create an unlimited amount of custom controls. There's the page builder support that I just showed you. There's custom post type support, WooCommerce support, as you've seen here. If WooCommerce is installed, we automatically add the new product widget to your website, a sign out widget, and multi-site support. What this does, this will allow you to configure Swift Control once from your main side of the network and the changes will automatically apply to all of your subsites, which I think is quite useful if you run a multi-site network. All right, and that's already it. If you want to learn more about Swift Control and Swift Control Pro, you can visit wpswiftcontrol.com. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments, and thank you for watching. See you next time.